Scott 1 Lima uniform, what altitude are you requesting back to Lima Oscar Tango?
4,500, 1 Lima uniform.
Skyhawk 1 Lima uniform, on departure, maintain VFR at or below 3,000 initially. Departure frequency 124.905 and squawk 6771.
One Lima uniform is going up to 3,000 initially until departure 124.905. And what was the squawk?
And Skyhawk 1 Lima uniform, squawk 6771.
67771.
Skyhawk 1 Lima uniform, read back's correct.
You guys are going to want to see this. This guy's going to get out of here quick. There he goes. Holy cow. Look at that takeoff rate.
Skyhawk 6-1 Lima uniform, turn right heading 320, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff.
320, 23 right, clear for takeoff for 1 Lima uniform. 320. We're going to let the wake kind of get out of here.
Voyager 101, when able, turn left heading 140 and contact departure.
Left heading 140 and over to departure 101.
Pull back. It just did it on its own.
Skyhawk 1 Lima uniform, contact departure 124.905.
124.905 for departure, 1 Lima uniform. See you, thank you.
Kirby 31, contact Indianapolis Center 124.77.
Departure, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 2,000 for 3.
Number 61 Lima uniform, India departure, radar contact. Voyager 101, turn left heading 080, direct Mario intersection when you're able.
Turn left heading 080 and then direct Mario intersection when able, Voyager 101.
November 1 Lima uniform, common maintain, VFR requested altitude of 4,500 and you can proceed on course.
Proceed on course, 4,500, 1 Lima uniform. Speed, let's go up.
Purdue 56, if you'd like, if you could start your descent down now for some traffic at your 12 o'clock and 15 miles, opposite direction Scott at 4500.
I'll start my descent now for Purdue 56.
Contact Chicago Center 132.5 today.
Was that for one Lima uniform?
1 Lima uniform, affirmative.
132.5 for 1 Lima uniform.
Good day.
Good day. 132.5. Chicago Skyhawk 13161 Lima uniform 4,500.
Skyhawk 61 Lima uniform, Chicago Center, the KIND-KLOT altimeter 3009er.
3009er for 1 Lima uniform.
Lima uniform, VFR traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southeast on Cherokees, out of 4,600, descending good to Lafayette, should be below you, just a moment here, no factor.
Got the traffic in sight for 1 Lima uniform. Chicago 1 Lima uniform, radio check.
1 Lima uniform, loud and clear, help me.
Loud clear.
Southwest 159, that's actually wrong. Southwest 1958, contact Chicago approach 119.35. Number 61, Lima, contact Chicago, approach 119.35.
119.35 for 61 Lima uniform. Thanks for the help tonight. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is 4,500.
Skyhawk 61 Lima uniform, Chicago approach, midway altimeter 3005, advise landing information, no TAMs at Lewis University.
We got the notice, we'll get the weather, and 3005 for 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform has the weather.
November 1 Lima uniform, roger, advise Lewis University Airport set.
We'll go when we find it. One Lima uniform is going to start down, still don't see the airport.
November 1 Lima uniform, roger.
One Lima uniform has those.
November 1, Lima Uniform, no observed traffic between you and the Lewis University Airport. Radar service terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved. Good night.
Frequency change approved, squawk VFR, and thanks for the help. See ya, 1 Lima Uniform.
Good night.
Lewis, traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima Uniform is 9 to the southeast, going to be joining the downwind for runway 20 on the 45. Lewis.
knots. I'm going to leave the autopilot on for a few more minutes. 42 knots is 230. Wow. I'm at 1,900 feet. Holy cow. I thought my crab angle was a little much. She's gusty, or she's windy. She's not gusty, she's just 42 knots.
Lewis, traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima Uniform is turning left to base, runway 20, Lewis. Traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima Uniform is turning final, runway 20, Lewis.
A landing it deserved the first time around.
Lewis, traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima Uniform is clear, runway 20, close.
+1, +2. See you guys.